The best thing you can do for your business or personal life is keep track of the things that you're doing, your days, and be organized. I want to show you this website that I came across to help you do just that. So before we jump into this video, I just want to introduce myself for the ones that are new here. And it doesn't hurt to also, just say who I am to the ones that are returning. So as you guys know, my name is Ashley. I am a content creator. I am also a entrepreneur. I do a lot of crafting. I show you business tips and tricks on my YouTube page. And so today I just want to show you a little treat for to make your life a little easier. If you are new here, thank you for tuning in and seeing what I have to offer. I pray that you enjoy what I show you. And I just need you to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoy what you see here. Also, go ahead and hit that notification button to keep you updated on all my videos that I post and you get them instantly. Also, I do want to take the time out to apologize because I know I tried to give you guys weekly videos, but the kids went back to school last week, so we just had a bump in the road. But I'm back and I'm going to keep pouring into you guys and just showing you what I have to offer. And for my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you for continuing to stick with me and see all that I have to offer and continue to offer. So, jumping right into this video because I don't want to waste any more time. If you are a content creator like myself or a business person, it's best to keep yourself organized because it helps and it goes a long way. And I could be the main one to attest to that because anytime that I have a list of things that I need to do, because I am also a mother and a wife, we always have a long list that we got to take care of. So I tend to make a list and check it off as I go. And that has helped me in the past. And so I just want to help someone else who needs to be organized, like myself, because with like the ADHD, it's real and I be all over the place. So if you are like me and you do have a little ADHD in you, or you are a mother, a wife, or even a husband or a dad, and you're just busy, then you definitely want to stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to show you what I have in store for you. So, as you can see here, this website that I'm showing you guys is called Planifypro, and it's a subscription. So, if you guys, I do want to make the disclaimer that this is a affiliate website. So if you guys sign up through me, I do get a little discount for you guys signing up through my link. I promise you this is a gem and you won't be disappointed. So here we have digital planners, and I will leave the link in my comment section below so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So here we have something where you can make digital planners, and or you can have it where it's like a physical planner and you can print it out and put it all together. Now to take it a step further, if you want to go ahead and sell to customers, because as you guys know by now, the digital product it's making a name for itself and it's big and everybody's doing it. So I figured, hey, let me let my subscribers know and hop on the wave because again, I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of it. And so again, if you want to go ahead and make digital planners even for yourself, or if you want to make them to sell, you can do that. Or if you're just thinking like, okay, I really don't want to sell a digital product, I just want a planner for myself, you can do that on here. I do have a couple already made that are on Etsy that you guys can purchase if you just want it for yourself. And I can go ahead and put that link in a comment as well, because I know some people, they have other things to do in life and making digital products is not one of them, or you just don't have the time and you don't feel like being bothered with all that. So don't worry, I got you because like I said, I've done the work. So I have some in my Etsy shop if you want to purchase one from there. But if not, I'm going to put you on to where you can make digital planners and again have for yourself or for your customers. So this website is called Planifypro. And what this website does is it has a lot of templates that you can choose from to make digital planners or anything that you want to make that will help you stay organized. Also, it has trackers. It also has like balance sheets for like financial. If you're trying to do like a budget, it also has budgets. Um, and things like that that you can choose from. So if I go up here and I go to my collection, no, not my collection, I could either search for a planner that I'm looking for, or I can go to starter templates to start my like, just the jump start and get some ideas, or I can go to create a planner right here and I can pretty much design my own from scratch. So I do want to show you, we're going to go into search for planners. So as I said, like if you were looking for a budget planner, you could go here and we could search in financial planner. And if we search in financial planner, um, we will get just that. Financial planners, or you will get like a couple templates that you can pretty much build yourself. So, and it also tells you how many pages it is, or if it's just one page, all you're going to see is one page. So I'm going to, let me delete planner because I know that there is a whole digital planner that they have in here, which is, did they take them out is the question. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have two main planners. We have one that is, well, they both are 62 pages, but they are in different format. And I'm going to show you what they look like so you can get a visual of how it's supposed to look. Or, like I said, there's just pages by itself if you just wanted to print a page out and go off of there. Now, I believe they do have a free version of this, but you don't get all the perks with a paid version. So if you want like a paid version, I would suggest that if you want all the perks, I would suggest that you do a paid version. But like I said, if you like what you see, but you don't feel like going through all of that, or you don't have time because you work a full-time job, I do have them on my Etsy shop where you can go and shop and get them from there. I do want to show you, like, let's say if you are looking for, well, let me show you what one of them looks like first. I told y'all I'd be all over the place. That's why I need planners because they help out so much and they keep me organized. Like, they are a godsend. So as you can see right here, it has it has a lot of tabs. So it has the year, all 12 months of tabs, and they are clickable. So see how if I click, you see how I clicked December and it took me to December. If I click January, it's going to take me to January. Let me show you. Hold on. Let's do it again. So it took me to January because I clicked January. So even with these tabs, like I said, they're clickable. So if I click bank account, it's going to take me to the bank account. Um, it's going to take me, see how it says budget planner? It'll take me to notes if I wanted to do notes. It'll take me to the savings jar if I wanted to, you know, instead of having to filter through all of this, because like I said, it is 62 pages, all you have to do is click and it'll take you right to where you need to go. But this is a real thorough planner that I like, and it's already put together for you. All you have to do is go through it. And if you want to edit this to your liking, it doesn't have to be just like this. What you can do is you can go into this planner like this, and you can actually start editing this planner yourself, and then you can create it to your liking or just tweak up a few things if you want, and then you can save it and download it for yourself. The I will say the only time that you can actually sell these to people is if you do the commercial one that has the commercial license to go with this, because if you try to get the personal use one, you will they will get you for that. And I do apologize. I got so over myself and jumped in straight into this that I didn't even show you guys the um I didn't show you where to start. Other stuff. Like I said, if you wanted to create a planner, you can do that as well. And you can start from scratch. It does have a lot that it will show you. If you guys want me to do a tutorial showing you how to create a planner, I can do that, or you can look at the many tutorial videos that they have on here that they offer. They do have, also, I want to show you something else. They have it where you can, like I said, the starter templates, they do have them here. So if you wanted to do like a starter template, just like a 1 page or 2 page thing, they also offer that here. They offer a lot of varieties. They offer a lot of things as far as planners goes. And they have like the seasons of what they offer. So if it's like for instance, right now we're in the fall, so they are advertising like the fall planners or like Halloween planners. If it was like Christmas or something like that, they would offer that. You see how like they have a to-do list, project planners, week at a glance. You can even even do cover sheets for Etsy. So say like if you weren't all that creative, you can even do create a cover for your Etsy shop through here. They also have stickers where you can use, the stickers for the planners. You know how some people planners come with the stickers, they also offer that as well. So it's a lot of things that they offer. You can even create a calendar in here, like a monthly calendar all through the year. They already have 2024 starting, because 2023 is almost over. They offer, summer. We kind of still are in summer right now. So they do offer that. Like I said, they do offer a lot of things. They do have a collection where, like, let's say if you had some planners that you had already created yourself, you can save them to your collection so that you can always refer back to the ones that you already did, so that you don't have to try to figure out what you did already. Again, like they even offer sticky notes, they offer planner cards, they offer. Man, it's just a lot. Like I would take, if you are a business owner, I would definitely take advantage of this website because it does help out a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot. And as you guys already know, I'm a business owner myself. So this was like a godsend for me. Um, they do have a blog, like, if you again, like if you are having trouble with their website and you really don't know what to do, they do show you a lot of tutorials on how to maneuver through their site, so you are not just sitting here twiddling with your thumbs trying to figure it out. I don't want to make this video too long. Again, this was just an overview of me showing you the website that I came across for planners and calendars, or like your budget or journals or anything like that, if you are into that, or again you just need something to keep you organized and you are not a creative person and you just need something that's already well put together. Okay, sorry y'all. All right, so here are the plans that they have. So you can either be billed monthly, for $9.99, or you can do it every 3 months, which they will charge you at $9.64. So if you times that by 3 months, I think it's like $28 and something. Or if you want to pay yearly, they will charge you. You will pay it at a price of $8.34, but they'll charge you for the whole year. So you would do the $8.34 times 12, and that would be for the whole year. So again, to me, this is very beneficial. But again, if you're not one of the ones who want to do a subscription and you have enough subscriptions already, but you do like the journal and you just want the journal, you can go to my Etsy shop, and I'll put the link in the comment section, like I said, and you can go there and just purchase one for yourself. And you can actually, what you can do is, um, you can, have it and see it. And if you like it, you can come back to this, do it for about like a month, pay for like, a monthly subscription, go ahead and create your own journals. But this is also good for GoodNotes. So like if you are a person that uses GoodNotes, or if you're a college student or something like that, this is very beneficial when it comes to GoodNotes. So you can actually upload the journal in GoodNotes, and it's very user friendly with like your pen or like your S Pen if you have Android, and you can utilize it that way as well. What I can do also is show you the other planner that I created for you guys to see. So here's another journal that I wanted you guys to see, which is my fall planner. I love this one so much. Now this one does come with like 400 and something pages, but I just love the color scheme of it all, and it goes right with the time of the year. And this one is actually going into 2024. So we already have a jump start on it. And this one, it comes with a note section. So you have lined if you want to just create notes for yourself. Like I said, these are very good for GoodNotes. It does have a grid, and you do have a to-do list if you want to, again, mark down the things that you have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going to end it here. I just wanted to drop a small gem on you because I came across it, and just hopes that I could share it with someone else. And maybe that would help, keep you organized as like it's been doing me. If you found value in this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and share it with ever whom you would like to share it with. And I will have more things coming down in the pipeline. So I thank you all for watching, and just stay tuned for the videos that I have coming up. So thank you guys, and have a good day. Thanks for watching.